Hello YouTube, Dion from M.A.D with the unboxing of Toshiba Canvio desk, an external desktop hard drive. Now this is a mechanical drive, and as the name implies, this is a desk external hard drive of 5 TB space that comes with a special software that is designed for a backup, and it is accessed with a USB 3.0 connection. Now, as you can see, this is a Windows-only software that enables you to back up, storing and securing your important files, and one can store here his music library or some important data or movies, or keeping a safe backup of your really important files from an enterprise or personal files. Now, this is a USB 3.0 hard drive. That means it's quite fast, not the fastest out there, but it's still good. So let's open this box and check out closely this hard drive. Okay, here we have it. Let's see what's inside. It's really nice packed here. I should mention that this is a really heavy box, and this is because this is a really heavy hard drive. This is a mechanical one. It comes with this casing that seems pretty standard. A good thing is that this is M.A.D plastic on one side, on the other, and yes, we have some glossy plastic on the sides and some kind of ventilation holes all around this side of the casing. Okay, this seems a little bit elegant with the logo here. The feel is good, but I don't really like the glossy plastic on the sides. It seems there's something like a pattern here. I don't mind. We have 4 feet, so that can stand on this side. Here we have the input ports. This is the USB 3.0 and the power socket. Now, I'm not feeling really comfortable with the glossy finish on the side that makes your hard drive stand. So here you have 2 more pairs to lay it down like it's so and secure it on your table. On the other side, this position makes the hard drive seem more monolithic and elegant. Now the drive comes packed with a lot of paperwork. That is the manual, the warranty and a quick start guide. Okay, let's check out the manual first. Lots of languages and lots of paper. Okay, not the greatest one. And apart from that, we have another box with all the essential cables. Okay, another paper. My bad, this is the warranty, so we have more paper there. This is all the paper included. Okay, now let's check out the cables included in this packaging. And open it like it's so. Well, we have the power. Now this is the USB cable, I presume. This is a really thick one, and hopefully this is also long enough. This is the USB 3.0. I guess it's okay length-wise, not bad. So here we have the power plug, and the other side in order to power up our hard drive. I think this is a really lengthy cable, and that's really good if you want to plug it from a power socket far away from your PC for any reason. Okay, I think this is a quite lengthy cable. I mean, yeah, I am really satisfied with this one. And we also have another adapter that seems to be a US adapter or a UK. And okay, there's a swappable mechanism here. Okay, this takes off and we, okay, no. Yeah, I'm a little bit dummy about this. Yeah, that is how it gets. This takes it off. This takes it on. Okay, this is really nice. You don't have a regional restriction. Quite nice. I feel that this hard drive, it's a nice purchase if you find it for a really aggressive price. And yeah, I can recommend this product. Okay, this is how you connect the USB 3.0 one side, and this is the power cable connection, like it's so, and it's ready for use. This is you connected with your PC and the power socket. Well priced, and it is 5 TB. This was the unboxing of Toshiba Canvio Desk External Hard Drive. From M.A.D Tech, thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe, like, and as always, I'll see you the next one.